How does a free $20 Amazon gift card sound to you? If it sounds good, stay tuned to this video to find out how you can win one. Someone watching this is guaranteed to win. Greetings, friends. I'm Chris. So it's Thanksgiving weekend. Thanksgiving was yesterday. Today's Black Friday. I hope you're out there finding killer deals or saving money, whichever works best for your financial situation currently. We wanted to do something a little different, so we're going to keep this video super short. We're just going to show this one part of a chandelier that we put up this week. We're not quite done with it. The bulbs are coming today, but here's some footage of it. All you need to do to win the $20 Amazon gift card for free is in the comments below here on YouTube, guess how many strings of crystals are hanging down from the chandelier. The closest guess is gonna win the $20 Amazon gift card. Good luck! With it being Thanksgiving yesterday, I seriously wanna say how thankful we are for you and that you took the time to watch these videos. We appreciate you more than you can know, and we just wanna say thank you. Thank you to you. Well, that's all for this week. Until next Friday, have an awesome week.